article came from NIH. Role of zinc in the immune system and anti-cancer defense mechanisms.
It's critical.
And I'm not claiming this. This is on NIH from PubMed. This is a gigantic research study they did going into detail. It says the human body cannot store zinc reserves, so deficiency can arise relatively quickly.
I didn't know that.
Through improper diet, yeah.
I didn't know it couldn't store it.
Cannot store massive reserves. It says severe zinc deficiency is rare, but mild deficiencies are common. They're now showing the relationship between zinc content in diet and risk of cancer. The anti-cancer effect of zinc is most often associated with the antioxidant properties. However, this is one of the possibilities, including the influence of zinc on the immune system, transcription factors, cell differentiation, proliferation, DNA and RNA synthesis, repair, enzyme activation, and inhibition, the regulation of cellular signaling. This goes on. And so this is interesting. It says right here, cancer cells are characterized by uncontrolled division. Thus, paradoxically, by striving for immortality, they end the life of the human being much faster than the passage of time. I thought it was an interesting comment about cancer. It's basically saying that the cells start trying to have uncontrolled division, they kill the host. And then it goes into detail here on how zinc are the components and structural regulatory proteins, including transcription factors. Now, I'm not going to do this whole long article, and it's got tons of references if you guys want to read it. But essentially, when you get down to the bottom phase of it here, all the way down to the conclusion, it goes into detail. And it goes and it goes and goes. Basically says the data cited indicate that zinc is an essential trace mineral for the activation and structural stabilization of a great number of enzymes, as well as the immune system and antioxidant response, including mental health. Supplement and optimal intake of zinc restores the normal immune system response and reduces the risk of infection. This is why it's so important if you're sick, why zinc works so well, and also, too, why it is such a required nutrient when you're trying to maintain overall health of the body.
You know, that's one of the reasons zinc was on our immune system protocol during COVID.
Still is. I never changed it.
And now
zinc, D3, and vitamin C.
Well, one more thing zinc does is zinc really, really helps to stimulate libido.
Oh, yeah.
And the sperm basically requires a large amount of zinc. And one of the reasons that a lot of men are impotent and can not have children is because of deficiency of zinc. And a lot of the reason that a lot of men have no libido is the deficiency of zinc. And we've seen this repeatedly over and over and over again. That's why I take 3 of our zinc every single day.
Oh, yeah. And it's in the prostate support, too. And we have a small dose in the Ultimate Multiple and the Ultimate Multiple powder.
And I've learned over the years, the research that I've done, that it's one of the primary factors causing prostate damage and prostate health problems
zinc
is not having enough zinc. You know, so it's really important to get zinc in your diet every single day because, again, I thought the body could store it better than this, but it says here it doesn't store.
This is a big study with NIH. And I want to, like I said, you guys like when I bring a lot of stuff up. This isn't me saying this. This is me quoting what they talk about here. And you can look, when you get down here, I mean, look at this. Look at these references. 90. 100.
Wow.
So I'm saying, this isn't like, oh, by the way, we kind of looked at it, zinc might be good for you. This is a well-documented NIH study that goes into detail on the immune system and anti-cancer defensive mechanisms with zinc and the NIH. So again, I'll post this on the site. You guys can look at it. But another reason why we talk about zinc being such a required nutrient in the body, and like I said, I think a lot of times it's massively overlooked. Like nobody really talks about it. It's not the cool vitamin, right?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this clip, we invite you to follow us at broershow.com, where you can watch full episodes and sign up for our latest updates.